iQOO has officially confirmed the launch date of the iQOO 15T, with the smartphone set to debut in China on May 20th at 7 p.m. local time. We already see the first look iQOO 15T. The camera module has two visible lenses along with the flashlight. The device has been spotted prematurely in China Telecom's database, revealing its core specifications. Here's a look at what the smartphone packs inside. It is expected to be a high-performance variant within the iQOO 15 series, distinguished by its massive battery capacity and high-resolution camera system. A 6.83-inch flat 2K LTPO 2.0 AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 6,000 nits. The iQOO 15T will become the first smartphone to feature the Dimensity 9500 Monster Edition chipset globally, positioning it as a top-tier flagship rivaling Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 devices, featuring a 200MP primary sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, along with a 32MP front selfie camera. A standout 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, which would be the largest in the iQOO 15 lineup, supported by 80W fast charge. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.